All right, guys, this is the video to find the winner of the dual signed Mookie Wilson, Bill Buckner signed bat that we broke tonight. So it came down to the Cubs, Dodgers, and Mets. So that's Alex for 2 and Jim Tremaine for 1. So we'll check the time, July 27th at 10:03 p.m. We're going to go over to, we'll call it the raffle, I guess, and type live. And we have July 27th at 10:03 p.m. There are our 3 entries. We're just going to randomize these three names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll wins the bat. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 5. All right, here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jim's. Well, I don't know what spot, but Jim Tremaine, you are the winner of the bat. So there is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 27th at 10:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.